It's a 2023 Lexus NX. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX takes the crossover beyond utility. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, voice activated climate controls, configurable instrument gauges, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Lexus, performance in every detail. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.